Welcome back to this conversation. My name remains Ben Arikpo. I'm the Master Brain Trainer, and I'm talking to you about how to gain mastery of your brain. Today, I'm going to be talking about the second cognitive skill that needs to be improved in order to have an efficient brain. I've talked about the first one being attention, which was focus, concentration, and how to stay focused on task. The second brain skill I would like to talk about is processing speed, how fast you work. How fast do you respond to instructions? For instance, when you find people who are on the spectrum and you say to them, "What is your name?" More times, very often, it is the caregiver or the parents who jump in and say the name. Because while they are still processing that information, the parent or the caregiver jumps in and gives a name. So how fast you respond to questions. Some of us respond fast, some of others respond slowly. But whichever way you respond, the way your response is determined by your processing skills. There's a brain skill called processing speed, which means how fast you process information. If that skill is very efficient, of course, that's when we say the person is smart. Of course, in a regular classroom or even in a regular exam, it is the first person who finishes and submits the paper with correct accuracy that is said to be the smartest person. So processing speed, sometimes if they are young, how do you detect it? When a child is growing up, they find it difficult to finish copying their notes on the board before the teacher cleans it off. So they come back from school without complete notes. That's one. What about in adults? You find out that each time they ask you to submit a report, it takes you forever to do it because you never find you never find the energy to do it. That's processing speed problem. Or you are in a meeting, you have something to say, but you are just unable to say it, but you see others say that same thing you are thinking about, and they are clapping for them. That's a processing speed problem. So you need to improve your processing speed by doing brain exercises. Of course, as we continue in this conversation, I'll be taking you through each of these cognitive skills. There are particular exercises that you can do to improve them. So I want you to stay with me on this channel. Subscribe to this channel. Share what you have seen with others so that they can also join. And please like it so that others who are coming after you would also like what they see. And I will come back to you again very soon with another conversation on the next cognitive skill, which is working memory. Until then, stay blessed.